You know how the story goes. The department asks for clinical development, so you spend hours preparing a meticulous session based on the standard principles of adult learning. The team turns up for the free biscuits. They nod along and then they return to the ward. Then the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve strikes, wiping out 70% of the knowledge within about 24 hours. It's exhausting to feel like your training stops the moment the shift starts. You didn't become an educator to just tick off compliance boxes. This workshop series is designed to help you move the classroom onto the floor. Together we will master curious leadership so you can coach your peers in real time rather than constantly playing the expert fixer. We'll unlock the inspired capability of your team, shifting their mindsets from defensive reactions to professional curiosity. This is how you drive collective excellence, turning standard handovers and near misses into shared puzzles your team actually wants to solve. Stop pouring your energy into slide decks that get left in the tea room. Give yourself the practical tools to inspire calm courage when the floor gets chaotic. Go to www.bettereveryshift.com to sign up for our Inspire Calm Courage Educator Workshop Series.